Rehab is a scam. It might fix some of those physical problems, dude, but it's not gonna fix the person as a whole. You know how expensive rehab is, man? It's between $6,000 to $20,000 to maybe fix a problem. Why would you spend that much money on something that probably won't even work? Bro, you're dumb. Rehab is specifically there to help people figure out the physical circumstances that are leading them back to alcoholic behavior, man. If you feel better, you do better, right? Everyone's looking for that support, dude. Rehab is an easy fix to all that physical damage that you've caused to your body. And some rehabs are going to help you get to the root cause of why you continue to cause trauma in your body with poison. That's bullshit, bro. Rehab doesn't work. And it's just going to drain your wallet, man. Some people just need to suffer and learn from their mistakes. I understand that suffering is an actual part of the recovery process. No matter what decision you make, there is still an element of suffering involved, but suffering isn't how somebody figures it out. If pain really worked, we'd all be in pleasure right now. When you give someone a healthy environment that's focusing on their physical and their mental health, the chances of them overcoming whatever it is that they've been struggling with dramatically skyrockets. Are you telling me that's not worth the investment? $6,000 to $20,000 is a huge investment, but that's also why there's digital rehabilitation programs like Beyond Sober. Opportunities like that are specifically designed for people that either can't afford it or are not ready to make that drastic of an investment in their health and happiness. And the point is, dude, is that no matter what decision someone makes, it needs to be based on who they are, what they're struggling with, and what they think their future actually looks like. Because simply fixing the problem or removing the substance isn't going to change them as a person. Most people are simply afraid to reach out for help. That's why having a digital solution like that is way more anonymous than Alcoholics Anonymous.